show, a whole universe, and now June is birth. This is where dreams come alive. So hang on.
The legendary Super Saiyan has taken his evolved form to another level. Tonight, we're gonna draw
We coming in hot at the top of the beat, and we ain't gonna stop till bikini is caught. Put the roof through the source of the love, leave the orb with a danger force, and we think that waters. You gotta
Super
hustle, not getting
legendary
younger,
Super
you can grow,
Saiyan
but you
God
can't
Broly.
let go, gonna make our worlds collide.
It's been a long time since we last encountered Broly. This guy, he and Shilai have a son, and five of the Saiyans from Universe 7 have united their energies and powers and wanted to show Broly's special power. He transformed Broly into a Super Saiyan God. Broly also learned how to use Kaioken. Alright, drawing Super Saiyan God Broly is quite easy. All you gotta do is draw Broly's upper half while adding Super Saiyan God hair. Their spirits. As the legend shown, 5 Saiyans uniting their spirits into one vessel, becoming a Super Saiyan God.
We coming in hot at the top of the beat, and we ain't gonna stop till bikini is caught. Put the roof through the source of the love, leave the orb with a danger force, and we think that waters. You gotta hustle, not getting
Here's the scar on Broly's chest.
hot that girl, gonna make our worlds collide.
Here's Broly's hand.
Welcome to the big show, a whole universe, and now June is birth. This is where dreams come alive. So hang on for a wild ride.
And get this, he managed to obtain this form and had this rematch against Jiren.
We coming in hot at the top of the beat, and we ain't gonna stop till bikini is caught. Put the roof through the source of the love, leave the orb with a danger force, and we think that waters. You gotta hustle, not getting any younger. You can run, but you can't hide that girl, gonna make our worlds collide. Welcome to the big
Here's Broly's abs.
universe, and now June is birth. This is where dreams come alive. So hang on for a wild ride. Where worlds collide, worlds collide, worlds collide, worlds collide. We coming in hot at the top of the beat, and we ain't gonna stop till bikini is caught. Cut the roof and the sauce, hit the love, leave the orb with the danger force, and we dang got wars. You better hustle, not getting any younger. You can run, but you can't hide that girl. Gonna make our worlds collide. Where worlds collide, worlds collide, worlds collide, worlds collide.
Now here's Baw's ear, also known as Broly's pelt, otherwise known as peak block. As we saw Ursaluna, that's how you allow it to evolve.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8.
Here's Broly's hand.
Things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world is brought you down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you.
And finished.
'Cause you're there for me too.
There he is. That's how you draw a Super Saiyan God Broly. Now he's complete. Finally finished. That's how you draw it. This Saiyan. The legendary Super Saiyan is never going to stop evolving. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And check out which character I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.